Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and install the knob for your turn to start switch on your GE dryer. To replace your start knob on your GE dryer, no tools are required. It just takes a few minutes of your time. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So the reason why you may be looking to have to replace this knob is perhaps some of the markings are worn off, or you may be finding that when you turn the knob, the dryer is not actually starting. What happens is the knob will split in the back where it goes onto the shaft of the switch itself, and it'll slip around. It'll seem like the switch is working normally, but nothing happens. So if that's the case, have a look. It's probably that knob. So to remove the knob, all we need to do is just apply a little bit of outward pressure on it, pull it straight away from the console, and that's how easy it is to remove. So now to install the knob, we just want to line up the flat spot in the center of the knob compared to the flat spot on the shaft of the start switch. Line them up, push the knob on, and that's how easy it is to replace the start knob on your GE dryer.